So, although we've tried to make Gorilla as easy to understand as possible, there will always be questions that someone may have. So if you're wondering who to contact, where to go looking for help, what to do if you have a problem, here I'll quickly present the various support options that we have for Gorilla. So the first place of contact is the Gorilla support page. Here you can find specific documentation links regarding most of the aspects of Gorilla. Pretty much all the information that we have, we put on the Gorilla support page. And this is a great resource, for example, if you're getting started. We have a lot of onboarding videos and a getting started guide. So the onboarding videos will tell you how to use Gorilla in less than 28 minutes, while the getting started guide may be better for people who prefer to read, and basically will show you how to go through everything in Gorilla. However, the Gorilla support page isn't just helpful for people getting started with Gorilla. It's also helpful for most users, even those who have been using Gorilla for years, because we keep on adding new tasks. We keep on adding new zones and there's more options available as Gorilla grows and expands. And so most of the things that you might be looking for might have some answers on the Gorilla support page. So for example, let's say that you wanted to know specifically about the eye tracking zone. You could go to the task builder zones, you could go all the way down to the closed beta feature zones and have a look at the eye tracking. And here you'll have the information, how to use it, and then also a bit of information about metrics at the end. On the Gorilla support page, it's also important to remember about the search function, as it is incredibly powerful. It doesn't just search through the titles on this page, it searches through all the pages linked to the support page. So for example, let's say I want to do some randomization. I'm not sure, maybe I want to do it in trial or in a block or randomization over the whole experiment. But I'm not sure yet what Gorilla what Gorilla can do. So I start writing in random in the support page and I get a few options. So I click on a few of them, open them up, and then let's have a look. So randomization in Gorilla. So this page will show you the different randomization options that you may have and then link you to various other ones. This could be helpful. This page talks about randomized trial, randomized block on this one, and then more randomization here. So just by writing random into the support search bar, these are all the different pages that have come up, and you can already understand a lot more about randomization than you did before. We also have the Facebook Gorilla group, which offers a lot of peer-to-peer support. If you search for Gorilla Experiment Builder group in the search bar of Facebook, you should be able to find it. And here, users of Gorilla can come together and help each other. It's a great resource, and everyone is actually so happy to help. And there's so much interaction happening on the group. And so you can always maybe post a question here and see if someone in the community had a similar problem that you are. And then there's also the option of contacting the support team on Gorilla, and you can do that by getting in touch at the bottom of the support page. And here you can fill out what your problem is and specifically write about the issue. We do ask for it to be a very specific question, just because we do get a lot of support tickets. And the more specific your question is, the easier it is for us to understand what you want to do, and the easier it is for us to help you, and it works out the best for everyone. So those are the main support options, and I hope that will help you out in the future.